Hello, Year 10. So I'm just going to go through the two exit ticket questions from yesterday's lesson. So if you've got any part of that wrong, it's super important you're watching this video now and correcting your work, and then asking for help if you're still not sure on why something is what it is. So to start with question 1 on the left-hand side, Elizabeth has a bunch of red, yellow and white roses. She chooses a rose at random. Fine. The probability she chooses a yellow rose is 0.1. The probability she chooses a white rose is 0.2. So then, for part A, what's the probability she chooses one that's either yellow or white? So all we need to do is add those two probabilities together. This is the probability of yellow. This is the probability of white. So the probability of yellow or white is 0.3, and that is our answer. For part B, what are we talking for part B? For part B, what is the probability she chooses a red rose? So for this, we know that all the probabilities need to add up to 1. All probabilities add up to 1. So it's going to be 1, take away 0.1, take away 0.2, which gives a final answer of 0.7. And that is it for part B. Right, question on the right-hand side is slightly harder. So this time round, we are told a bag contains 6 yellow sweets and 4 blue sweets. Fine. A sweet is taken out at random, replaced, and another is taken out. Fine. Find the probability that at least one is blue. So if we just think about the different options, I could pick out a blue sweet and then not a blue sweet. Or I could pick out not a blue sweet and then I could pick out a blue sweet. And there's one more option for at least one being blue, which is I could pick out a blue sweet and then I could pick out another blue sweet. So now we just need to work out the probabilities of these different options. So a blue sweet is going to have a probability of 4 out of 10 because there are 10 sweets in total, and not blue is 6 out of 10. We multiply, which gives 24 over 100. We do the same thing here. So not blue is going to be 6 out of 10. Blue is going to be 4 out of 10. We multiply, and again we get 24 out of 100. And then here, probability of a blue is 4 out of 10. The probability of another blue is 4 out of 10. We multiply, and we get 16 out of 100. Finally, because we're thinking of all the different options, we need to add those options together. So to get our final answer, we do 24 over 100 plus 24 over 100 plus 16 over 100, which is, I can't even think, what's 48 plus 16 is 64. Gives me a probability of 64 over 100. You could write that as a decimal, so 0.64. I'm just going to simplify this fraction. So simplifying this fraction, 64 and 100 both divide by 4, giving you a final answer of 16 over 25. As I say though, if you put 64 over 100 or equivalent to your answer, that is absolutely fine. So Year 10, correct your work if you need to, and then email me for help or message me on Share My Homework if you need to ask any more questions about that.